Hi, I'm Bob Carr, and thanks for watching another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Today I'm talking about various lawn sprinkler upgrade packages that I'm offering to increase the efficiency of your current lawn sprinkler system, and especially if your system is more than 7 years old. Listen up. If you want to save big money and lots of stress this upcoming summer, then you need to pick the TLC lawn sprinkler system upgrade package that's right for you now. I'm offering 3 upgrade packages that offer 3 different ways to save on your water bill while still having the greenest grass in your neighborhood. And you know you like to have the greenest grass in your neighborhood. All of us do. It's not as hard as you might think. There's 3 different ways to save money and have the greenest grass throughout the entire season. And they start with leaving your yard to TLC. You want to have green grass without any worries? Click below and check out the 3 different upgrade packages to decide which is the perfect package for your home. And if your lawn sprinkler system is more than 7 years old, then any of them are good for you. Purchase today and leave your lawn watering to us. It'll blow your mind, the savings as well as the stress-free living, having the greenest grass in town. For more info, call or click the link below or give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342. And again, thanks for watching The Bob Carr Show.